Today, we're diving into how to tailor QuickBooks Online to fit the unique needs of your business. Think of this as setting the foundation for all your future financial activities. We're not just filling out fields, we're aligning QuickBooks with the very heartbeat of your operations. It's a foundational task to ensure QuickBooks operates according to your business needs. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, head over to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon there. That's your doorway to customization. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. You want to select Account and Settings from the Your Company section. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, you'll see different sections like Company, Sales, Expenses, and more. We'll start in the Company tab, which is the first place you'll land. Here, you'll enter your business's operational and legal names. If your business has a different legal name, maybe something with LLC or INC at the end, this is where you'll note that distinction. Don't forget to include your tax identification number if you have one. It's crucial for tax purposes and helps keep everything above board. One of my favorite customization features is adding your business logo. A logo on your invoices and documents elevates your professionalism. Simply click the plus icon in the logo section to upload your file. Once uploaded, QuickBooks shows you a preview to ensure it looks just right on your documents. Now, defining the structure of your business is next. Are you a sole proprietorship, a partnership, perhaps a corporation? This information helps QuickBooks adapt to your specific business model. This selection helps customize QuickBooks settings to better fit the typical needs and reports relevant to your sector. Let's talk about your contact information. This section is where you'll add your business email, the customer-facing email, phone numbers, and if you have one, your business website. These details are crucial because they appear on invoices and communications sent out from QuickBooks. Making sure these are accurate ensures you maintain professionalism and reliability in your customer interactions. Address details are up next. Here, you can differentiate between your physical address, your customer-facing address, and your legal address if necessary. This flexibility is particularly helpful if you operate from multiple locations. Moving to the part about communications with Intuit, this section allows you to manage how you receive updates and important information from QuickBooks. Tailoring these settings ensures that you only get the most relevant communications, keeping you informed but not overwhelmed. Now that we've configured the essential details in the Company tab, let's move on to the sales settings in QuickBooks Online, which are vital for streamlining how you manage sales-related activities. This segment focuses on tailoring invoice settings, payment processing, and product management to suit your business's specific needs. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, switch over to the Sales tab. Here, you'll find a range of options to customize your sales forms, manage the products and services you offer, and set up specific sales preferences. Starting with the Customize Look and Feel option, this allows you to tailor the aesthetic aspects of your sales documents, ensuring they align with your brand identity. You can modify everything from the layout to the font used on your invoices, estimates, and other sales forms. It's a great way to make sure that every sales document you send out reinforces your business's brand. Under the Sales Form Content section, you can define preferred invoice terms and delivery methods, which helps streamline your billing processes and ensure consistency across all customer interactions. For example, setting default terms like Net 30 can standardize payment expectations with your customers. Additionally, you have the option to activate custom fields and transaction numbers, adding unique information to your sales forms that might be specific to your business or industry. The Products and Services settings are particularly useful for businesses that manage a diverse inventory. Here you can choose to show product.service columns on sales forms, track inventory quantities, and even set price rules if you offer variable pricing or discounts under certain conditions. Another notable feature is the ability to turn on price rules, currently in beta, which allows you to set up dynamic pricing models based on various factors like quantity, customer type, or promotional offers. This is crucial for businesses that need flexibility in pricing without manually updating it each time. Moving further down, You'll also find settings related to progress invoicing. If your business handles large projects or services that are billed over time, this feature enables you to create multiple invoices from a single estimate, aligning with project milestones or delivery phases. Lastly, there are sections dedicated to messaging and reminders. These settings allow you to configure default email messages for sales forms and invoice reminders, streamlining communication and ensuring that your financial engagements with customers remain consistent and professional. You can even set up automatic reminders for overdue invoices, helping to improve cash flow and reduce the administrative burden of following up on late payments. By thoroughly customizing your sales settings in QuickBooks Online, you create a more efficient, personalized sales process that not only saves you time, but also enhances customer satisfaction through consistent and professional interactions. As we continue setting up QuickBooks Online, let's focus on the Expenses tab, where you can fine-tune how expenses are managed to better suit your business operations. In this section, you can customize several aspects of your expense handling. You have the option to show items and tags on your expense and purchase forms, which enhances the detail and categorization of your spending, making tracking and reporting more precise. You can also track expenses by customer, a crucial feature for allocating specific project costs directly to clients, facilitating accurate billing and financial management. Another significant configuration is making expenses and items billable. This allows you to easily pass on specific costs to your customers by adding them directly to invoices, ensuring you recover all incurred expenses appropriately. Setting default bill payment terms is also available here, which standardizes how quickly you need to settle vendor payments, helping maintain healthy cash flow and vendor relations. For businesses that rely on a structured procurement process, enabling the use of purchase orders streamlines how you order, receive, and pay for goods, ensuring that every step from purchase to payment is tracked and accounted for. By customizing these settings in the Expenses tab, QuickBooks becomes a more powerful tool tailored to handle your specific business needs, ensuring that every expense is managed just the way you need it. Finally, let's navigate through the advanced settings in QuickBooks Online, which is where you can configure the more detailed aspects of your accounting setup to ensure everything runs smoothly and aligns with your specific business requirements. In the Advanced tab, you start by setting up your accounting framework. This includes selecting the start month for both your fiscal year and income tax year, which ensures that all reporting aligns with your financial planning and tax obligations. The accounting method is another critical choice here, whether you use accrual or cash basis. Accounting impacts how income and expenses are recognized in your books. The Company Type section allows you to specify the legal structure of your business and the tax form relevant to your setup, which is crucial for accurate tax filing. You can also manage your chart of accounts here, including enabling account numbers for more detailed financial tracking. Further customizations include handling tips, discounts, and how billable expenses are income accounted, which can greatly influence how transactions are recorded and reported. Tracking categories such as classes and locations can be turned on here as well, providing you with deeper insights into the profitability and efficiency across different segments of your business. Automation features also play a big role in the advanced settings. Options like pre-filling forms with previously entered content, automatically applying credits, and scheduling bill payments streamline your accounting tasks, reduce errors, and save time. Additionally, you can choose to automate reminders for activities such as invoicing and applying payments, ensuring that your financial operations proceed without delay. For businesses involved in project management, organizing all job-related activities in one place can be enabled here, which simplifies project accounting and can enhance project tracking and cost management. And when it comes to handling multiple currencies, this tab allows you to activate a multi-currency feature, essential for businesses that operate internationally. Lastly, various other preferences can be set here, such as the date format, currency format, and what happens if duplicate numbers are used in transactions, enhancing both the personalization and security of your QuickBooks environment. When you're done with all the account settings, don't forget to click this Done button here in the lower right corner. By diving into these advanced settings and adjusting them to fit your needs, you ensure that QuickBooks Online not only meets but anticipates the demands of your business, making it an invaluable tool for your financial management.